What's up, y'all? Sure, I'm Master Lee.
And Lulu.
All right, today we're at where are we? Century City Mall out here in the edge of Makati, and this looks like it's a pretty big mall still. Actually, from the outside, it looked like it was one building, but it's at least 1, 2, 3 floors.
More, maybe?
And I think there's another mall that's right next to the one, the power plant one. Yeah, which I think is even bigger. So let's check it out, see what they got here.
Okay, let's go around.
It's a Friday afternoon, so I would think this place is going to get filled up pretty quick. If you want to see what this place looks like from the outside. Oh, happy holidays. Yeah, it's that time of year, yo. Huh? Where we're going?
We just have to walk through the power plant mall.
Oh, this mall's not good enough for you?
Oh, this is very smaller, but the power plant is
Oh, so it is not good enough. No, they don't want the... Okay, that was a shorter, small tour I ever gave you. That is 1 minute tour.
We just walk, like 10 steps and we're done.
Because the next place is even better. It's nice on the outside. It's got this nice fountain area here. You know, I might as well just give you a walking tour all the way there. But they got 2 malls right next to each other. So I would say this one is probably a smaller size then. To them, it's not good enough. 3 floors, not enough. They want more stuff. Now, a big question I'm sure a lot of foreigners are asking. Winter time in Philippines, which means December. Is it cooler in December? Does it feel like winter? Easiest answer to that is never feels like winter here in the Philippines. Never. It is always hot and muggy. And we're just been fortunate the last couple of days that there's been cloudy, so it hasn't been as hot. And we also been fortunate in the sense that we kind of just passed typhoon season. This year is brutal. I think 4 to 5 typhoons that have come to the neighborhood, 2 of which were super typhoons. I forget the exact definition of that, but I think it's at least like 150 miles an hour. Like the kind of thing that would basically destroy lives. And yeah, that happened. So like a street like this is actually a bit of an incline. This street would have been flooding. It would have been torrential flood down one side because the rain comes down so hard, so fast. Super dangerous. If you're swept up in it, oh, you're in trouble. But we've been lucky. So mild rain. Actually, I can't say that. 2 days ago, the rain came down so hard, so fast, I was caught up in it. You might see that in another walking tour. Woo, that nearly took me out, yo. But nonetheless, it's nothing close to typhoon, so we're thankful. All right, this is a pretty busy area. Lots of people out, lots of activity. I can see a lot of good places to eat too. Huh? Oh my goodness, I just noticed that up there. That's a pool or something up there. Infinity pool all the way to the edge. Look up there. Infinity Edge pool.
Oh, wow. Although I do not like the view.
You get By the way, it's about 5 o'clock at night, so it's rush hour. Although, quite frankly, it feels like every hour is rush hour out here. I have not seen one instance where there has not been stop and go traffic. Not once. Even at like 11 o'clock at night, still a lot of traffic.
Yeah, we're gonna right. We're gonna go right. Ay, wait. Diretso lang. Look at this map.
All right, so I misjudged the distance. The walk to Power Plant Mall is quite a bit longer than I thought. I think we've been walking for about 5 to 10 minutes already, so. I would say this area though is particularly nice. Trees, green grass, very hard to find in Manila. You can tell this neighborhood here is real nice. Closed off from most people. Nice neighborhood. Actually, across the street, that's a really nice neighborhood. I get a feeling on our way back, we might just take a Grab, aka Uber of the Philippines. Because the malls here are real big too, so it pretty much means we're going to be tired walking through the mall. And I'm not a walker. So why do we have a walking channel? Yeah, I know. Pretty stupid of me. I guess it forces me to walk. Now, it's not that I don't like to walk. I love walking. It's just that I have flat feet. So, for instance, even though we've only been walking for about maybe 10, 15 minutes, my feet, I can already feel them. I feel tired. There's pain, which then shoots it through my legs. And for all of you people who have normal feet, I can only say, I envy you. If there was literally one thing I could change about myself, that would be it. Would it mean that, or I'm going to say, I would rather have normal feet than anything else. That's so funny. On Google Maps, looks like it's right next door. I totally misjudged. I'm like, easy walk, no problem. And we can't cut through here because they're gated. So we got to walk all the way around. Yeah, but I was saying, I would give up being tall. I would give up being rich. Wouldn't give up my wife. I would keep her. She's a keeper. But, if there's any other kind of physical ailments, high blood pressure that I have, maybe even some of my smarts, I have a lot to give there. I could be half as smart. And I'd still be good to go. But man, I would give it all up to just have normal feet, to be able to walk and enjoy that leisure stroll. Because for me, I can only do that for about 10 minutes. Now, the worst part actually isn't even walking. The worst part for me is standing still, like waiting in line. There's a pain that I feel within a couple minutes of that. And that's feet pain, lower calves, back, and then shoulders. It just shoots all the way up, basically after 10 minutes. Cannot stand in line. The worst. So, for those of you who have flat feet, you know what I'm talking about. For those of you who have flat feet, I'm sure you wish there was a solution for that too. Everyone else, you're lucky. You're lucky. We're there. Power Plant Mall. One of the big ones here. As you can take this look around, you can see high rises everywhere. You know, it also feels like we're walking through Hawaii, this part of town. Just the palm trees, the tropical weather. You can also feel like there's less traffic out here.
Rich people have their yayas.
Is that what it is? They're yayas? What is yaya? Dogs?
Dogs. No, someone's taking care of their dogs.
Oh, the yaya is the person.
It's like a nanny for their
Oh, nanny. Okay. So they had dog nannies. Yeah, I mean, if you're living out here, a lot of the condos, they actually have rooms for their yayas, right? Live and help. And to kind of give you a sense of how much it is. Well, rich is relative, right? Because I think it's a couple $100s in US to like hire someone. So it doesn't sound like a lot, right? A live-in nanny, couple $100. There's no way you can get someone to take care of your kids for a couple $100 for like, 2 or 3 days. Out here, that's about how much it is to have a live-in help. So, you want to retire in the Philippines? One of the best benefits, you can afford help. In fact, a lot of people usually have 2 people that they hire for help. One is like a live-in nanny or housekeeper, and another one is a driver. May not be full-time, but you pay a couple $100 for that. Sure beats taking the bus, get stuck in traffic, waiting for a grab. It's nice out over here. Baby, I know that's what you're looking at. All right, I just switched to no background noise mode, so hopefully you can hear my voice without hearing the background music. Ooh, that looks yummy. Swirl ice cream. This is kind of like the nicest outdoor market I've seen. It's so clean, with fake grass and really nice picnic tables. Totally opposite of what we had the night before. But that felt authentic, though. This kind of feels a little bit fake. But nonetheless, very, very nice. All right, I think we're just going to film it up to this point. That was a fun, enjoyable walk for y'all, I hope. Oh, pastries. How much is that? That's like about $1.50, $2 for a pastry. That's a little bit expensive for out here. You want a matcha? Okay, baby, get yourself a matcha. Baby, that's a $5 matcha. Where? These are definitely Makati prices.
They said it is cheap.
Oh, it's cheap? Oh, maybe I'm cheaper.
Ube matcha latte.
Oh, you're not getting it?
Said we can check more places.
Okay.
These were Rich
What's
people.
cool? You can see they can hang out back there in their little oasis. That's so nice.
I think we're ready to go inside and have some AC.
They even got a DJ out here. All right, yo, I think that's going to be the end of our tour for today. So make sure you subscribe if you want some more mall tours of the Philippines because there's so many. Oh, what is all this? Look at this city.
Celebrities go to this mall.
Hey, baby, you're a celebrity. That's why you're here. That's how we'll end the vlog.